In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your custom domain to your GlossGenius booking link. First, sign in to GlossGenius at glossgenius.com. Once you're inside your account, go to Settings, then Open Website. In that section, you'll find your booking URL. This is the link people use to book with you through GlossGenius. Copy that full URL carefully because you'll need to paste it into your domain provider in the next step. A quick tip here. Make sure you copy the complete address exactly as shown so the redirect works properly. Next, open the website where you originally bought your domain. This could be a provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or another registrar. The exact layout may look a little different depending on the company, but the process is generally very similar. You're looking for the settings area for the specific domain you want to connect. Once you're in your domain settings, find the forwarding or redirect section. Some providers call this domain forwarding, URL redirect, or simply forwarding. If you don't see it right away, check the domain management or DNS related area. Just remember you are looking for the place where you can send visitors from your custom domain to another web address. Now paste in the GlossGenius booking URL you copied earlier, then choose the option for a 301 permanent redirect. This tells browsers and search engines that your domain should permanently send visitors to your GlossGenius booking page. If your provider gives you the option to forward the www version 2, turn that on as well. That way both versions of your domain will work, whether someone types it with or without www in front. After